Right, afternoon folks. Stu's Fruity's back on the case, or not case, whatever. I've fixed that. So that's one part done. And I fixed that quite simply because I've got loads of spare ones, as you see on top of there. My wheels have arrived as well, so I can put wheels on that one, and this one, and that one. It looks like I got all these faulty power supplies, folks. I tell you what, without a stable power supply, these things are a nightmare. I've actually used another machine and I hate doing that. I've nicked the power supply out of shake and take. So it looks like I've got about 6 or 7 faulty power supplies. That was unknowns anyway. I'm already on the case to getting them sorted. It's open, it's closed door mode as well. So it's nicer with the old display working. So, and this is just a random board out that pile of boards, and it seems to be okay. It's been on for a while now. So a mate of mine has actually got 6 of my power supplies, and some of them are fixed. So shake and take, we're not too worried about, are we? I've nicked that, and I hate doing that, and I would never recommend anyone to do that. Because you take parts out of one machine and you risk having another machine down, and I've done it so many times and seen it so many times. So hopefully this will be the first time it pays out, but there's no coin tubes, it'll just clatter. So watch your ears, Kim, because she jumps every time these things clatter. So she's like Catherine Taylor. So I can't believe how many power supplies I've tried, and they're all doing the same. They're all flaking out, and I thought it's got to be the board, so I've put other boards in, and the boards are they're still flaking out. I'll tell you something, the power supplies in these are a nightmare. Now obviously you can't gamble the 4p wins, which I kind of guessed that. It's a 2p machine, so it is what it is. Nice clear sounds though. I still haven't established if the inner reel's right or not. But checking at home, I haven't got any more inner lip reels either. I haven't got the inner lip reel units. I've got loads of JPM reels, loads of them, but none that are inner lit. So I might be on the scrounge for a set. Because if this does light on the inside, what I should just do is take a set out of another machine that's inner lit and just try them in here. But I'll worry about that at a slightly later date. No features. Ooh. Well, at least I know all them lamps work, because while I've kind of got that sort of all this out, now's the time to change the lamps. Alright, let's see what happens there. No, didn't pay out a single penny, so there you go. That might be a board fault, or it could be a triac fault. You never know with these things. That was trying to pay out 2p's, which should be there, I'm sure. Anyway. Quicker catching that one, I. Yeah, I reckon this machine's going to fight me all the way, isn't it? I need 2 nudges to 10p. So I might as well gamble. 1 nudge. Well, this is the longest it stayed on. Two bells. I don't know what that's doing. I must have a look at that. So it's going to have every single fault going in it. Yeah. Well, there you go. That's the second attempt, if you like. But it's clearly not paying out, so something else I'll have to look at. And that reel's wrong as well, so that's another thing I'll have to have a look at. There you go. The joys, the joys, the joys. See you in a bit.